Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. There's no music playing, but I'm really excited to be back here. I'm going to be standing today, as you can see, so that I can show you guys my makes for this month, my November make. So I know it's not the end of the November yet, but I'm already going to start working on different things that I want to work for the month of December.
So here we go.
I will be having these things on, but I wanted to show you guys. I made another sunny dress top that I made another one of these, but just the top. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I ended up messing up right here in the sleeve. I caught it, but I mean, I saved it. It's all right. And this actually fits me like pretty good. The only thing is, I'm just gonna throw it over so you guys can see. The only thing is that it's kind of short. Like I should have made it a little bit longer, but it's pretty okay, I guess. Like, let me see if you guys can see. See how it's like really short, and then how the scallops kind of work. If you guys can see. Let's see. And then it kind of hangs a bit. Yeah, I don't know. But it's pretty nice. I do like it. I don't know if this would be an everyday t-shirt to sew though. You know what I mean? Like I'm glad I made it, but I don't know. This is my second time making the top, and I don't know. On to the next thing. I did, however, make the Macau shorts, these ones, but I've been going to the gym now for about 2 months, but I've been working out now for about 4 or 5 months, and these do not fit me anymore.
Like, I can put them here. But they end up like falling. Hey, look.
But yeah, they end up falling, and they don't fit me. Like I can, so I guess I should go down a couple sizes, but I did sew them, you know. I don't know if you guys can see it that well. I did sew them. The pockets, like everything came out. Do I think that these are easy? I don't. They were pretty confusing for me, to be honest. And then this part, I didn't even know how to attach the zipper well. So I don't, you know, and then this is a muslin. So don't judge my threading, okay? But see, even here, like, I don't know. I used a different colored thread on purpose, you know? But even here, like, I didn't know. Like the instructions weren't clear, so I couldn't really understand. I don't know. I want to make them again so I can get it right, but like I don't know. Would I wear it is the thing. It's a couple size. If it were the right size, yes, okay. If this were the right size, I would definitely wear it, but it's not. So I'm definitely gonna sew another one. I don't know when, but I'm definitely gonna sew another pair of these and see, you know, what they look like. Yeah. This is actually too small. Like, this is the purple fabric that I used, that I bought from Savers, and it turned out to be way too small. Like,
And then too, I used the wrong one because it doesn't even really stretch. You know what I mean? I was gonna do my hair, you know, all cute and stuff, and I was like, now I'm gonna be putting stuff on, taking stuff off, and then I didn't want to take pictures of it because I'm like, this is all trial and error. You know what I mean? Like even in the arms, it's so tight. It's like goodness. I'm not kidding. It's really. Can you guys like? There's no give. I feel like
know, maybe if I continue to lose weight, it'll fit me, but it's so stinking tight. Like, hence why I didn't do anything to my hair. It looks like it would fit me, right? But then I put it on, this does not fit me. So I sewed these 3 items, the shirt, the shorts, and the toaster sweater with the tweaked neckline. But I also sewed 2 weighted blankets. One of them was for my son, and the other one was like over 20 pounds. It weighed so much. It was over 20 pounds, and I a little bit over 3 weeks to sew. So almost the entire month of November I was working on that blanket. But I would work on it, take a break, work on it, take a break, you know. And I'll show a picture of it. And that was it. That's the blanket. So I made the 2 blankets. I made these 3 items. I know like my November makes video was like so big, and like I had all these plans of what I was gonna sew, and then I realized like, damn, like, sewing really takes a lot of time, you know, so I calmed the hell down. But update on the Joni pattern that I ordered on my pattern wish list video. Oh my gosh. So it arrived. That way I can start recording my next video, which is gonna be Sew It Till It's Right, using this pattern. I'll talk more about the pattern in the next video because I still haven't started sewing it. And I did order the printed pattern. I don't have a printer. 3 outfits that I made, it was just like a warm-up, you know, just to warm me up and make me, you know, feel my sewing machine, and like that's what I'm doing, you know. So that was just my warm-up. The shorts came out too big. The shirt that I made came out too small. The sweater that is so stinking cute doesn't fit me because I didn't use the right material, you know what I mean? These are things that are going to happen when you're sewing. These are things that will happen, you know. You live and you learn and you move on, and you know, it just warms you up for the stuff that you really want to sew. So if you're new like me, you make mistakes, make errors, you don't know how to fix them yet, you know what I mean? Follow me, you know, subscribe to my channel. We'll suck at this together and improve together. You know, and but yeah, check me out on my next video. It's going to be, you know, Sew It Till It's Right, the Joni jumpsuit. Go ahead and hit that like button, you guys. Sure to subscribe to check out any of my future videos. And yeah, if there's any questions or anything like that, leave a comment down below. Yeah, what have you guys made for the month of November? You know, what did you guys make? Start the conversation. Talk to me, people. Talk to me. Bye.